Yeah, good morning, everyone. This is Yashchan Rakesh Roshan here. I work as assistant professor at RGKT Chupleti Basar, Telangana. Welcome you all to this session on Google Meet. So in this session, we'll be talking about two things. The first one being, how do we take attendance in Google Meet? And the second one being, how do we blur our background in Google Meet? So let's get started with these two. So let's start off with the first one. So how do we take attendance in Google Meet? So as you all know, in Cisco WebEx or Zoom, readily we have the attendance of the candidates who have attended that particular session, either in Zoom or WebEx. In the reports, you'll have the data. But in Google Meet, you don't have it readily available. So for that, we have one alternate. Now we need to have a Chrome extension for that. So that let's search for that. So let's search for Meet attendance Chrome extension. So now when you click that, you can see this Meet attendance, and this is the one. You can see Apple mark over there and then a tick over that, Meet attendance by claycodes.org. So first thing is you need to add that to your Chrome. So let me just add it. Let me just do it step by step. So now that it's added, now let me go to the other tab, and then let me start off Google Meet. So let's just open this. So yeah, new meeting. Now start an instant meeting. So and for now I'll just disable the camera. So this is okay. And let me just say join now. That's okay. So the moment I start the meet, it's taking a bit of time. No problem. So the meet is just getting open. Okay, so let me just copy this meet link. All right, just close this. So yeah, we have started. So go to people. So show everyone participants. Now you can see here. Can you see one? Next to people, you can see one tick mark there, like a pad thing, and then a tick mark. So now this has come now because of the Chrome extension that we have put. So right now, if I see people, only I am there. So when I open this, it will take me to meet attendance. So who all attend this meet? All the data would be recorded here. So just for a while, to just show you, let me now add one more person to this. So just give me a minute. Let me just open anything. Okay, just sign in. All right, so let me just add him to that meeting. Enter a code, Control V. Okay. So yeah, so now you can see two people are there. So now I'll just go back to this meet. So this is the host. So I'm conducting the meeting. So now let me just click. So now you can see when I click this, I should be able to see. It takes just a while to update this. All right, so let's just check now. So let me just click on this. So now you can see. So you can see the participants. So you can see, he's the host and he's the, one who has joined. And this is how, you can get all the details of the participants. As I said, it will take, 3 to 4 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to sink in. So you just need to wait. So once you are done, so probably anytime in between your meeting when all of them have joined, or just before you leave the meeting, it's up to you. But just give it some 2 to 3 minutes, for it to sync with the data, and all the data would be available in your spreadsheet. So this is the one. So this is all about the meet attendance, and there are a couple of things you can do. Just come here, click these more options. You can just click on the more options. So new sheet for each meet. So it will generate a new sheet for each meet, and all of this data would be saved to your Google Drive. and new sheet daily for the same meet. So collect, join, and left times with duration. So all these things could be done with this particular Chrome extension. So let me just end the meet. As I said, you'll have the data of all the candidates who are there. So just once again, I'll just show you. So let me just click on this. So yeah, so now you can see. You can see all the participants data. So it's showing, I mean, actually the join time, left time also will be, shown. So right now, since the meet is on, it is just showing that, in the left thing, it is showing the current time, but do not worry. Once you collect the data, it will actually take the right time, of leaving the meeting. So don't worry about the data here. As you can see, it gets updated. Let me just click it again to just show you that, it is auto updated. So nothing to worry about the join time and the left time, but all the attendance would be provided to you. So this is so now you can see here. So it was earlier 2 minutes, now it is 2 minutes 28 seconds. So as long as the candidate is there, it continues to update this data. So when he leaves that, then it will give you the actual data. So this is all about the Google Meet attendance. Okay. So as I said, this spreadsheet would be available in your Google Drive, or you can just download it from here. Anything would do. So just download this Excel sheet. Right. Okay. So let me just stop this. This is all about the Google Meet, how to take attendance in Google Meet. So let me just stop this. Just close this, close this, close this. Now, yeah. And then the second thing, let's go to the second thing. The second thing that we will be discussing is how to blur the background, in Google Meet. So as you know, Zoom has this facility of virtual backgrounds and all of that, right? But Google Meet, you do not have the facility as such as of now, the virtual background. And in a class, generally, when your webcam is on, the background, you don't want the background to be there. So how do we blur the background? So in Gmeet, we do not have that facility as such. So there is one more add-on for this. So let me just show you that once again, Chrome extension. So let me just click background blur for Google Meet. So Chrome extension. So yeah, you can just click this background blur for Google Meet. It's by Brown Fox Labs. Just keep this in mind, because in case you take something else. So add to Chrome. Let me just add to Chrome. Add extension. So all right, so it is added, no problem. So now let me just go back to this, and let me just go to meet.google.com. So now, okay, let me just start off a new meeting. So all right, so now I'll leave the camera on, and then so now you can see on the top left there is one new button that has come up, blur off. Earlier, the previous meet, this was not there. Okay, now that we have added this extension, this is coming into picture. So let me just start the meeting. So let's join now. All right. So now let the meeting go on. So now here, just click on this blur on. Now you can see the minimum, how much blur you want to be there in your meet. So now you can see blur is minimum, and you could blur to the maximum possible extent. So now you can see. So everything else in the background is blurred right now. So now you can just see this is no blurring. I mean, everything is in the background is visible here. So now you can just increase this, and as you increase, you could see that the entire background gets blurred, and this is really very handy. So you can just leave it at this, and then you can start off your meeting. So as the candidates join, so now you can see, I'll just move around so that you'll understand that the blurring effect is good. And as you continue to teach, as you continue to take the session, so only you would be there, and everything else would be blurred. So this is a beautiful thing, very simple, and you can continue to take your class. So a simple Chrome extension which does the job for us. So let me just end this meet. So this is all about the two aspects. Number one, how do we take automatic attendance in Google Meet, Meet attendance, Google Chrome extension, and number two, the background blur for Google Meet. So I hope these two are useful to you. So have a good day. So take care, stay safe. Yeah, bye.